And then I'll count down. I'll just go 3, 2, 1. Hey, Greg Gunn here. Today, we're gonna talk about digital illustration, and specifically my process for it. I'm gonna break it down into 5 easy steps. Sound good?
Okay, now before you do anything, drink some coffee. It's time to use your brain. Step 1, prompts. The first thing we need to do is come up with some prompts to work from. These are words or phrases that will help guide what we make. So in this case, I'd like to make a new thumbnail image for the pro group. Some words that come to mind are community, helping hand, sharing, growth, uplifting, and strength in numbers. We'll use some of these ideas as fuel for the next step. Step 2, thumbnails. Here's what I do. Make a little box, look at my prompts, and start drawing ideas that pop into my head, keeping them super loose at this point. I don't really care how they look. I just want to see how some of these ideas translate into a visual form. We're just trying to figure it out. So if you get stuck,
forget about it.
Move on, don't sweat it, and go for quantity.
Pro tip, time yourself.
Okay.
This will put a fire under your butt and force you to work faster. Now it's tough at first, but over time, you'll get better at getting faster. Done is better than perfect, right, man?
Forget about it.
Step 3, cleanup. By now, you have a treasure trove of sketches, or if you're like me, 5. Bad example, I know, but hey, I found one that works. Not this or this, and I didn't even finish this one. Here we go. I picked this one because the idea is simple and it should read super clearly at a small size. Now this will be the foundation for our illustration. The bones, the structure. You get it, right? Okay, good. Step 4, color. Color is my favorite part of any project. It's kind of like the moment of truth where you test the visual quality of your idea. Our primary goal here is to block out color for each shape in the drawing. Now, while I'm doing this, I'm thinking about where I want to place visual focus and make sure those shapes are the brightest or they have the most contrast. Step 5, detail. So we have our color blocked in, and you'll see that I moved some things around here. Now, we're going to place some type in here later, and I want to make sure there's ample room for it. Overall, I like where we're at, but it's kind of boring. So let's make it unboring. Now we can do that by adding some light and shadow. Keep in mind, this is intended to be a thumbnail, so it's got to read when it's very small. Better, much better. Now let's see how it looks with the type. I like it.
And there you have it, my 5 steps to digital illustration. Now, let's do the recap.
Step 1, come up with prompts. Words. Step 2, use your prompts and get sketchy. Step 3, pick your best sketch and clean it up real nice. Step 4, get yourself a palette and block out those colors. Step 5, add some detail. Lines, shadow, lighting.
On the Instagram.
Oh no! Oh yeah!
Step 6 is very important. It's Yes, yeah, exactly. There's a lot more that goes into making the digital illustration than what I just talked about, both conceptually and like technically too. But to go over all that, we need to make like a course or something. And that's actually something I'd like to do, but I don't know if that's something you're interested in. So let's do this. If you'd like for for me to make a proper digital illustration course, maybe using a program like Photoshop or Illustrator, leave a comment. Let me know. Let's talk about it and let's get this started. I would love to do that. Also, if you enjoyed this video and what we covered in it, why not give it a like? Maybe even subscribe too. Come on, you're already here. It's like the easiest thing you can do anyways. It's cool. I'll go ahead. I'll wait for you. No problem. Ooh. Can we cut back to the puppies? Yeah. Come on, subscribe for the puppies.